This project is GSM and GPS women security system using Arduino. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its starter board allowing the power supply, 16x2 LCD. GSM and GPS are connected to Arduino through UART. Panic button and relay siren are connected to Arduino digital pins. Now power on this. GSM initializing. On LCD it is asking send a message to store mobile number. We have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. GPS module and its antenna. Antenna always faced to sky. We have to keep GPS module in open environment with open sky. GPS took a long time to get a accurate value in indoor. So keep it in open environment. Here we have open environment. Sometimes GPS will take a few minutes to get latitude and longitude. If woman is in danger or in panic, then she has to press panic button. Siren will be on and the location will be sent to registered mobile number. Here location SMS. If we press URL, then we will get a location in Google Maps. If we want to know woman location, then we can get by sending a request command *s#. On S means SMS sending.